Let me show you the official United States passport photo requirements straight from government sources. This is the official U.S. Department of State documentation that defines all photo requirements for your application. The government provides detailed specifications and examples to ensure your photo meets all official standards. Key requirements include neutral facial expression, white or off-white background, head centered in frame, and proper photo composition. Photos are rejected for textured or patterned backgrounds, shadows visible behind subject, colored or gradient backgrounds, so attention to detail is crucial. Here's the complete official requirements section that details all the specifications you need to follow. The specification shows the exact size must be width, 2 inches, height, 2 inches with precise measurements for acceptance. Our page clearly outlines all United States government standards in an easy-to-understand format. Each requirement is explained with examples showing exactly what's acceptable and what will be rejected. Rather than studying all these complex requirements, our AI tool automatically ensures compliance with every specification. The process is simple. Upload your photo, let our system check compliance, and fix any issues automatically. Then proceed to download your government-ready photo and complete your order for immediate